Hi there, it's Grant here. I've got something very exciting to share with you. If you're looking to start an affiliate marketing business or a side hustle in 2023 that you'd hope to grow to six figures or more. Now on May 23rd, a new docu-series called Six Figure Side Hustles is launching to the world. This no hype. This is going to be epic. I've registered to this because I'm very interested. And basically what's going to happen is kind of like, a version between Netflix meets affiliate marketing, side hustles, and online marketing. It's going to be a Netflix-style docu-series where the people behind Six Figure Side Hustles, which is Michael Hearn and team, they bring in industry experts to do affiliate marketing, coaching, consulting, trading, all that kind of stuff. They interview them where these experts, tell you precisely how to get going with a six-figure side hustle or side hustle that you can grow to six figures in 2023. This is going to be absolutely epic. You're not going to see anything like this anywhere else. This isn't going to be fluff. This is going to be absolutely huge. And the first episode kicks off on May 23rd, 7 p.m. EST. But each episode is only available for 24 hours, so you do not want to miss this. So you've only got 11 days to register. So if you want to register and watch the Six Figure Side Hustle docu-series, I'm going to link to this page down below. Just come to the page. You can watch the video if you want. And just simply put your name and email address in there, click the button, and you'll be registered absolutely free. I'm going to have some teaser content coming out between now and then. But yeah, if you want to start an affiliate marketing business or a side hustle that you want to grow into your main sort of job or business that you can grow to six figures or more, you want to watch this. You're not going to see anything like this this year. This is going to be awesome, and I personally cannot wait to watch this because it's going to give me a lot of ideas to help me with my business or maybe start another side hustle. So if you want to register to watch this, I'll leave this page down below. Just come here, have a read, put your name and email address in there, click the button, and you'll be registered absolutely free. And I guarantee you're going to love this. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. If you've got anyone else who might be interested in, why not share this video with your friends if they want to start a side hustle as well. Thanks for joining me, and speak to you soon.